Kalau hal lainnya itu nama hal lainnya. Ini Nogwra.
Bên này juta nó cài sát cái lang cái chả không ta? Beri cara. Ayam tadi kita serahkan ya. Iya juta.
Kalau ibu lama kemudian senggol lagi. Sini mau nama ini phaikha kerja.
Autonamous goddess Ama Osha, Durga Puja 2024 is the auspicious program of Raj Shri Ama Osha, Autonamous of and today among us we have our chief guest, Honorable President, Honorable Co-President, Uttar Bharat Janjati and
Jika sini monsoni yang kurang romani और बोलो से और पानी जाका गतावक संग
आज दुर्गा पूजा के पावन अवसर पर जहां हम उस शक्ति की पूजा करते हैं जो स्वयं एक नारी है। आज के जमाने में माँ दुर्गा नारी सशक्तिकरण का सबसे बड़ा प्रतीक है। Talking about women empowerment, today we have with us our special guest, Ms. Chandani Chandran, IAS, District Magistrate, Collector of Khowai District, in a country where education was a privilege denied to women in the old times, where they were not even allowed to touch books. आज उसी देश के महिलाएं, नारियां, हमारी माँ, हमारी बहनें, आज हर जगह they are excelling everywhere with flying colors. Now, I would like to call upon stage our special guest, Ms. Chandani Chandran, to speak a few words.
Very good evening to everyone. I'm deeply honored and touched to be here. We're deeply touched and honored to be here with all of you today. And I thank with all my heart all the Sardars and spiritual leaders of Kalyanpur, Mayal Jamatia hood. And it is a matter of great pride and happiness that in line with tradition during this holy season of Durga Puja, Kalyanpur Mayal is organizing Ama Osha Mwtai today. I hope I got the pronunciation correct. So I thank the community for thinking about us on this day and inviting me to be here with all of you. It fills my heart with great joy that the way you traditionally welcomed us with a lot of love and affection. Thank all of you for your love and affection, and I seek blessings from all the elders, Sardars and spiritual gurus there. Your blessings should be there for all of us as we work for the development of this district. And I have seen that the Kalyanpur Mayal of Jamatia Huda have done excellent work in the field of education. I have had the privilege of visiting the school and the hostel, and I hope that in the future also you continue this great work. And like she rightly said, when women are excelling in all fields, there will be so many people excelling in multiple fields from this small community of Kalyanpur Jamatia Huda. Thank you everyone. सबको मैं शुभ नवमी का शुभेच्छा और हार्दिक अभिनंदन. धन्यवाद.
Present the money donated to the Chief Minister Relief Fund.